These works use earlier theories in my art making with more recent techniques in painting that characterize my practice so far. I'm Paulo Gonzalez, and these are my works, Fan Out and White Door. So the reference image is of a picture placed at the end of a tapering viewing tube. The walls of the tube can be seen as ethereal spaces, enclosing the photo and oscillating it through reflections on the walls. A grid could be imagined forming and expanding from the center out to the edges. So the reflections allow for my experimentations in painting aimed toward color fields. The finished painting is my process and experience of repetition, understanding the domestic space I live in, and how it continues to inform my practice and provide ways to delineate my ideas of home on canvas.